I'm doing a sweep on this one. Now, this is tuned, meaning chipped, and deleted, okay? It's 110,000 mile, nice F-350 crew cab long box Lariat. Some of the features you're going to see on this vehicle are going to come off of it for the purchase, and that's just because of the way that I'm getting it for viewing. So you'll get the sunroof, obviously. And you get the touch screen, you get the heated and cooled seats, auxiliary switches. The radio will go. There's your mileage, just 110,000 miles on it. This is a Lariat, so you get the weather techs in there, that's nice. And you will not get the fuel tank and the toolbox, nor the fuel pump there that you see in the back. That will be coming out. But you will get the wheels and tires, and you do get the tailgate step and the ball in the box as well. Again, this is a deleted truck, so it's very efficient. And inside, in the back here, we'll show you the back seats again and take you right around the front one more time. The seats inside are nice. Everything on the vehicle is actually pretty spot on as far as that goes. Oh, and the headache rack's coming out too. So you just get the truck without the stuff in the box, basically. But the delete kit stays on. And the TDK bumper and light also stay with it. So there you have it. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. Actually, this one, give us a call, 538-4014.